Hey, Abcro Kid here with another Sanitaire video for you. This one is my S635a. There's the original box. It's really beat up and I had the person put it inside another box. There's the manual. The machine is brand new, or was brand new. You can see it's the Electrolux model, and I have fit a HEPA F&G bag in it, just like my other Sanitaire. There it is. These bags are, like I've said in my other video, if you haven't seen it, they're just amazing. Before, with this model, the 5 amp model, on setting 2, it might grab the carpet with an empty bag. Might. I mean, depending on how humid it is or whatever. But now, it will grab it on setting 3. And the first thing, aside from the HEPA bag, the next thing I did is I took my Vibagroomer 2 out of my 670 and put it in this because the wood one is pretty much worthless. So yeah, I actually kind of prefer this over the 670. It's a little lighter. The only thing is it doesn't have the good rear wheels to roll the machine on, but you know, it's not that bad. The 5 amp motor is just good all around. There used to be an old YouTube guy, it was like TriStar DXL or something like that, out of Texas, and he did, you know, comparison videos, and he was obsessed with the Sanitaires, and doing his test, he got the same amount out of the carpet with the 7 amp model as the 5 amp model, so they feel totally different, but I guess it's not always about the feel. They both clean supposedly about the same, so I'll fire it up and let you see.